Okay, this is going to be a short tutorial on how to use Google's blogging service called Blogger. So what you want to do first is come to google.com and you want to come over here to More and scroll down to Blogger. Now if you have a Google account, it's going to let you sign in with that and use Blogger. If you do not have an account, you'll need to come up here to click on Sign Up and create an account for yourself by filling out this information. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, and I already have several blogs, so you're going to see those here. But what you're going to want to do is come over here to create new blog. And you're going to want to give it a title. So let's just give it sample. See if that's available. Yeah, it's going to let you know if it's available or not. And then you can scroll through the templates and choose a template and create blog. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to notice that it comes up in your list of blogs right here. And the way that you start blogging is you click on the post link to create a new post. It's going to pull up the editing window and you're going to be able to compose your post within this space. Here is where you can choose the font, and it's a limited selection, but you can change it. This is where you can change the text size, and this is where you can make information headings, subheadings, normal, or a minor heading. You can also bold, italicize, underline, and strike through text with these options here. You can change the text color here, and you can also highlight text here. You can also create links. So when you click on link, you're going to have your text that you highlighted for what's going to be displayed, and you can copy and paste a URL here to link to an outside web source, or you can link to an email address. Two other things that you can place within your post are images and videos. So if you click on Insert Image, it's going to allow you several places that you can upload your image from, the most popular being from your own computer. You can link to images that are currently in this blog. If you have any pictures in Picasa, which is Google's web album service, you can use that. You can get images from your phone, a picture that you've taken with your computer's webcam, or you can copy and paste the URL link and take it directly from the web. You can also insert video. I will say that I have not had a lot of success with uploading videos that are downloaded to my computer. I've had to find or upload those videos to YouTube, and when you have them in your own YouTube account, it comes here and you can choose them, or you can search for videos on YouTube and place those in. So that would probably be your best option there. Okay, you can also do a page break within your blog post. So if you want to break up your text, you can do that. You can change the alignment of your text, and you can create numbered and bulleted lists. You can also insert a quote, and if you come over here, it will spell check for you. Once you have finished with a post, you will want to probably preview it first, and this takes you just into a preview portion of your blog. So if you click on preview, you'll notice that it just shows me my my sample posting. Now, what you'll notice here is this post does not have a title, and that is because I did not give it a title up here. So you want to make sure that you do that. So I'll show you the difference in the preview. So you'll notice that that has a very bold title, and you want that. If you don't have a title, then your text can sometimes get lost. Okay, when you're happy with what you've done, you can go ahead and publish it. If you start working on a post and you're not quite ready to publish it, you can just click on save and it will save it to be published later. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of this post and show you that. So when you close out of your posts, you'll notice that you are brought to a screen that lists all the posts that you've made on the blog. And if you scroll underneath the post, it allows you to edit it, preview it, or delete it. So if I come back in and I've saved it as a draft here, I haven't published it, I come back in to edit, I can work on it some more, and then I can click on publish, and it actually shows it as being published. You will no longer see draft over here. Okay? Also within this page, you can come down and you can look at the layout. Okay, and this is the main page of your blog, and you'll notice that you see that your blog posts are over here, that your archive, when you post more than one blog post, is going to show up over here. You can edit and have an About Me section that talks about who you are, and you just click on that and you can change some things there or even remove it if you don't want it there. One of the most important things that you can do here within the layout section is go to add a gadget. And there are several different types of gadgets that you can add. Probably the ones that you're going to be using for this project may be to insert an image, a slideshow, or a video bar. So if you insert an image as a gadget, that means that you're inserting the image as something that shows up on your main page, not just within a post like I was showing you earlier. The same thing goes for slideshow and video bar. These are going to insert into your main page here, so when someone opens up your blog, they see these constantly on the main page, no matter how many posts that you add to the page. And I have a separate video tutorial that talks about how you insert these three gadgets, so you can view that to learn how to do that. Another thing that you can do is you can move around and change where certain things are. So I could move the About Me all the way up here to the top. I could move my blog navigator, blog archive up to the top. That gives you some freedom in the layout of your page. Okay. If you want to go back to where we were before, you can always just go to My Blogs, and it's going to bring you back in to your list, into your dashboard. Again, you would click here to create a new post. You would click here to go into your layout to edit and play with your layout. And then if you ever just want to come in and view your blog, you can click on View Blog. When you do get ready to share this onto the ThingLink, you will just simply use the address that is up here in the address bar. That's the address to the blog, and that's all you'll need for ThingLink to be able to access it. If you have any questions, just let me know.